Hello children, the lesson that we are learning is 1.3. What is nutrition? The topics that we will learn today is deficiency of vitamins and minerals, next malnutrition and the nutrition deficiency. So let's start today's session. So children, here are the list of the vitamins that our body needs. Vitamin A, B1, C and D. Vitamin and mineral deficiency causes many illness including goiter, scurvy and poor immune system. Vitamin A, B1, C, D are the most important for our body to work properly and stay healthy. Now we will discuss about vitamin A, the sources of vitamin A and what will happen if there is a lack of vitamin A in our body. So children, here you can see these all are the sources of vitamin A like papaya, meat, eggs, mangoes, melon, peaches, carrots, etc. So vitamin A is very much essential for our eyesight. It keeps our bones and skin healthy also. Next we are going to learn vitamin B1. So first we will learn the sources of vitamin 1. Fish, crab, cheese, chicken, eggs, red meat, milk, almonds. They are the very rich sources of vitamin B1. It is very much important for our skin and eyes. If there is the lack of vitamin B1 in our body, so there will be different types of problems like the swollen tongue, rapid breathing, anemia means the lack of hemoglobin in the blood, weakness, fatigue, then our rapid heartbeat, etc. Next we are going to learn about the vitamin C. First, we will discuss about the sources of vitamin C. Different citrus fruits like orange, lemon, tomato, cauliflower, strawberry, blackberry, broccoli, etc. are the very rich sources of the vitamin C. Vitamin C helps in repairing and healing the wounds in our body. It is also important for our bones and teeth. Due to the lack of vitamin C, people will suffer from a disease that is called the scurvy. Here, people will suffer from the swollen gum and many other problems inside the mouth. Next children, we are going to learn about the vitamin D. The first thing that we will learn as usual is the sources of vitamin D. So, sunlight is the rich source of vitamin D. Apart from that, the cheese, then the fish, milk, etc. They are very rich source of vitamin D. It is also called the sunlight vitamin. Vitamin D is produced in the skin with the help of the certain rays in the sunlight. This is essential for our bones. It is very essential for the bones and also the teeth. So lack of vitamin D, people will suffer from a disease called the rickets. Here, what are the symptoms? There are the bowed legs and the knocked knees, bending or bulges of ribs, bulging of backbone, etc. Now children, here are the list of the minerals that our body needs: iron, iodine, calcium and phosphorus. Now we will learn the deficiency diseases, symptoms and what are the remedies. So let's go to the next slide. So first we are going to start with the iron. We all know our blood appears red in color because of the hemoglobin. Iron is the main key ingredient of hemoglobin. So if there is a lack of iron, people will suffer from a disease that is called anemia. Okay, so what are the symptoms of those disease? There will be shortness of breath, feeling weak or tired. Now the increased susceptibility to the infection means people will very much prone to the infection. They will feel cold very frequently, and apart from that there will be the loss of appetite and people will become very much irritable. So what are the rich sources of the iron? Chicken, liver, broccoli, then dried beans, pork, beef, after that raisins, dried apricots, shrimps, watermelon. They are the rich sources of the iron. Next children, we will go to the next slide. Here we will learn about the calcium. So why do we need calcium? Calcium is very much important for the formation of the bones and also the teeth. So if there is lack of calcium, our body will suffer from the deformities in the bone. Here are the sources like milk, cod liver oil which will get from a fish, egg yolks, etc. are the very rich sources of the calcium. Next students, we will learn about the another mineral. It is the iodine. Okay, so people will suffer from a disease called goiter if there is the deficiency of iodine inside our body. So what will happen? There will be the abnormal enlargement of the throat. So what are the sources? Dried seaweed, codfish, yogurt, a fish called tuna, strawberry, cranberry, baked potato, eggs, turkey, etc. are the very rich sources of iodine. Now children, we will learn about the malnutrition. What is malnutrition? So growth is very important for every children. We all know that. Okay, so children need a proper diet to build their tissues, muscles, bones as well as the teeth. Their diet should be rich in the proteins. So they must eat all kinds of foods like carbohydrate, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, etc. So if there is a very poor source of all those nutrients, what will happen? The children will suffer from the malnutrition, or you can say they will suffer from the diarrhea. Now I will tell you what is malnutrition. It is not only, it happens due to the insufficient intake of the nutrients. It can occur when an individual is getting too, or other else it can also occur when an individual is getting too much of nutrients as well. Okay, so children should have the balanced diet. So hereby my session is finished, and thank you for hearing me.